Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day, and say to yourself, "It's not over until I win." There are moments when you're going to doubt yourself. Their rough times are going to come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass. It's very important for you to know that. Don't say I'm having a bad day. Say I am having a character-building day. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it. It's possible that you can live your dream, that it's necessary that you are relentless, that you have a plan of action, that you are creative. It's not over until I win. I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I am going to make it. The people that are running after their dreams are the people that are hungry. Don't stop running toward your dream. Don't stop. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. There is light somewhere. It may not be much light, but it beats the darkness. Your life is your life. Don't let it be clubbed into dank submission. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. People who can't see it for themselves can't see it for you. You've greatness within you. You're an uncommon breed. You've to know within yourself that I can do this. Even if no one else sees it for me, I must see it for myself. You want a thing bad enough? Work day and night for it. Give up your time and sleep for it. Sweat for it and fret for it and plan for it. Go after that thing with all your capacity, strength and sagacity, faith, hope and confidence, and stern pertinacity. I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it. If life knocks you down, try to land on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. You want it, and you're going to go all out to have it. It's not going to be easy when you want to change. It's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you're serious, you go all out. I've got a lot going for me. I've got some good stuff in me. I can bounce back from adversity and reinvent my life. It's possible. Regardless of where I am, things can get better for me. I'm coming back, and I'll be stronger and better because of it. You've got to make a declaration that this is what you stand for. You're standing up for your dreams. You're standing up for peace of mind. You're standing up for health. You want it, you go all out to have it. You've got to find ways to increase your sense of self-appreciation, because if you don't, you're bombarded with negative stuff every day that beats you down, and you will find yourself unconsciously engaging in self-destructive behavior. If you don't program yourself, life will program you. Take full responsibility for your life. Accept where you are and the responsibility that you're going to take yourself where you want to go. If you're going to try, go all the way. Despite rejection and the worst odds, it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you're going to try, go all the way. There is no other feeling like that. Do it. Do it. Do it. All the way. All the way. To persevere, I think, is important for everybody. Don't give up. Don't give in. There's always an answer to everything.